Hi guys, in today's video I'll be showing you the procedure to create vehicle car listing on Facebook Marketplace. In order to create a vehicle listing on Facebook Marketplace, it's a very simple procedure. First thing first, make sure that the Facebook application is completely up to date. Then launch open the Facebook app, which will look something like this. Next, you want to click on the menu bar from the top right hand side corner. Next thing you want to do is go to the marketplace section and then click on sell from the top left hand side corner once again. You could see a drop down menu where you could find create new listing. Select vehicle. As you do it, so you then be taken to the field where you need to go and add a photo. First thing, title, the price, category and location, as well as description, tags and all that. After which you just need to follow the prompt, and once you've completely added or created the vehicle listing, click on the next button. And on the next field as well, you might be able to go ahead and read the terms and conditions, all sort of things, and you'll have successfully created a vehicle car listing on Facebook Marketplace. This is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.